Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. So glad you're here with me. Got this mould today. Now I have seen it once or twice being made, but it intrigues me. It really intrigues me, and I'm making one for my niece and one for Freddie, my grandson. It comes with this. Now I've already made one because I had a bit of leftover resin. I've just made it clear. I'm going to be doing it in epoxy resin and Aquacast. Don't know whether the Aquacast one is going to come out of the mould, because there is also this little bit that slides into there on the finished product. This goes in there like that. Anyway, enough waffling. I'm going to be using laser paste, pink laser paste. Well, more of a rose gold and pink really. Got this from Temu. So I'll get my resin mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Right, resin mixed up. I'm going to pop some laser paste in it now. We need a bigger stick. Let's give it a stir up first. I want a decent amount, a big chunk. I have tried it once and it's very pretty. So we'll see what this does. That was quite a big chunk. I've decanted some of this clear to the side so I can do that. Might have to use it. It looks quite, I mean, it's very deep, that. Very deep. Yeah, see, I was right about this. Perhaps need a bit more. I'm not too sure. I'll show you the pieces that I tried it out on. I'm not too sure whether it's going to sink. I have other laser paste, a purple one that I've used, and it wasn't too bad. I'll show you this turtle. Quite see-through. Nice though, it is nice. I'm going to pop a bit more in. I'll put the same dollop in again. There we go. How is everybody today? I hope you're well. I've had my grandson this morning. It was out of the blue. Nice surprise. He said he wanted to see Nana and Chris, so his daddy brought him. Made me an happy bunny for the day, that's for sure. Now, normally I would do the Aquacast first, obviously, because it needs longer to dry. But it's Friday today, and I'm at work this weekend, so I've got 2 days. So if I do it last, it's got 2 days to dry. That's the only reason I'm doing it the other way around. I think that's enough. Let's see if this is enough to fill it. No, it's not going to be enough. I will still use the clear in this. Let's give it a squirt. I don't want to overpour that one. I'm going to do that in clear as well. Oh, I meant to spray it because it's got like a corrugated bit here. It's obviously for your finger to push it. And like I say, I don't want to overfill it. I think I've overfilled that. I might have taken too much out of it now. Can't win, can we? Yeah, I think that's enough. Right, I'll give that a spritz. And all I'm going to do is mix a bit more up, top it up, and then I'm going to cure it. I'll see you back for demold. Demold time. Let's get this cute little piggy out. Oh, we'll take this out first. Oh, that's come out all right. Wow, that's almost perfect. Sorry, I had to put it against myself. Get these side bits out first before we do them. See if we can get this side out and then hopefully that'll come out. This is weird. Somebody help me. Oh, there we go, it slides out. Silly Billy me. Wow, that's come out well. I'm impressed. That is fabulous. Let's have a look at this. And it fits. Oh my goodness. I'm seriously impressed. It's a bit on the loose side, that. Oh, that is seriously cute. I'm gonna make a decal on the cricket for that, but that's really nice. I'm so impressed. We'll finish that off later. Now I'm gonna pour the Aquacast one. I've got 500 grams of Aquacast there and 175 grams of water. I did say I'd never ever use this again, but I am tempted. Although, we do want a pink pig, don't we? Dare I go for a different coloured pig? I don't know. Yeah, go on then, we'll put a bit in. It stains the mould, this. This is why I said I wouldn't use it again. It's an absolute nightmare for staining your moulds. And we'll give it a mix. Right, I'm going to pop a bit more in. That's very, very pale. I mean, I do like it, but it's very, very pale. I just don't want to overdo it like I did last time. It was far too bright. I've done nothing but moan about this pink, haven't I? It works well. There you go, positive thing. I don't mind if it marbles a bit. I'm not going to stir it in too much. But it will be going on the vibration plate, which most of it will vibrate out if there is any marble in there. Right, and we'll give it a pour. Right, before I fill it up, I'm just going to go around with a micro brush. Like I say, it's going to be vibrated, so you don't really have to do this, but I like to do it. That's it. Right, as you all know, if you've used Aquacast or any eco resins, the water rises to the top. I've not made it flush, that little piece, I've not done it flush, I've made it slightly domed, just so if there is any shrinkage from the water, we've not made that too small, because it has to fit in there. Right, it's going on the vibration plate. I've got a bit left over, so I might just try. I've made another clear one out of epoxy for this one, but I might just try that. Let's take this out, shall we? It's been a couple of days it's been sat here. Now I've got to remember that we slide them side pieces out. Oh, that one fell out. A bit of filing I think on that. That should be okay. Oh yeah, we did get a bit of marbling from that purple. Was it purple? Yeah. Right, to slide it out, this is going to be difficult. I don't think it would break, and like I say, it's been a couple of days, so it's had a while. Now it's very stained, that mould, hasn't it? Oh, that's sweet. I like these little pieces. Because it's been a couple of days, I can't remember what I put in. I'd have to watch the video back. Yeah, I like them very much. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, wow. Yeah, we won't be using that. That's shocking. Like I said, I do have another resin one. Let's see if this fits. I'll just take the extra bits off. Yeah, perfect. Right, there are a few things I want to do to that one, but what we're going to do is I'm going to clean up because that's horrific, and I'm going to stick the fronts on. So I'll just fast forward you through that. I'm going to clean them first with alcohol, but it's just straightforward. Okay, I've stuck that one, the resin one, and I want to do something to this before I stick the clear ring in. This is Nouveau Sparkle Spray, and I use this for cards, for boxes, 3D makes, whatever I'm making. So all paper crafts I use this for. Now, I've never tried it on Aquacast, but I'm going to try it now. So it's just a spray. All I want to do, actually, I wouldn't mind keeping that. No, we'll do that as well. All I'm going to do is spray it from a distance. Oh, it comes out fast. I don't like what that's done to it, but we'll go with it. Yeah, some of it's coming out very fast. Right, I've done now like I say, some of it has come out in lumps, but I'm not angry about that. It's going to be okay. I'm just going to let this dry and then we can see the sheen on it. I might just dab that one because that's massive. I'll let it dry and I'll come straight back. It's all dry now. Now the Nouveau is from Tonic Studios, so if you want to take a look, I will leave the link for Tonic Studios in the description box below. I kind of like it, not overly disappointed. I'm just going to glue this one on, and then I've got some decals to put on. So I'm just putting a bit of this glue. This is B7000, by the way, from Temu. I like this glue, it's very nice and it sticks almost anything. Once they're dry, I'm going to get the decals actually, and I've not cut them out yet. I'm going to cut them out on my Cricut, then we can finish off, can't we? Oh, I do waffle, don't I? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Yeah, honestly, words don't come easy to me. Oh, there's a song in there somewhere. Right, I've got some in pink and I've got some in rose gold. I've curved them on the Cricut so I can put them round. I just hope I'm putting them on the right way. This is HTV Ront vinyl I'm using. There we go. Could it have gone on better? Yes. Did it? No. I think I've got sausage fingers. That's what the problem is. See if I can't turn that round a bit. Oh, it's properly stuck now. Never mind. Right, this one needs to be waxed. I'm going to give it a day before I do that, but I will wax it for the photographs. What do you think? I think they're absolutely adorable. I could have done better on that one. The spray came out in big lumps, or perhaps if I'd have just left it, but I do like it. I think I'll use that spray again. The back, I forgot to sand it before. It's not too bad, but I'm going to sand that, so I'll have to spray that again as well. We need to see if it works now. I do have my handbag at the side of me. Normally I don't. I will get a purse. Just wait till you see this purse. You're going to love it. It's cute as a button. My friend gave it me. Look at that. A miniature IKEA bag. I mean, that's adorable, isn't it? Right, let's see if they work. We'll put some in each of them. Yeah, a pound fits in. Does a pound fit in that one? Yeah. Lovely. Well, they work. I can give them to my niece. But aren't they adorable? I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've proper enjoyed them. If you want any tips on weeding and putting vinyls on, don't get them from me. Because they're as wonky as they usually are. Still very cute. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you. I really do. And I will see you for the next one. Bye.